Hey friends, Casey from Nashville, Tennessee. So today is day 5 of craft cocktails, recreating craft cocktails from the 1920s and 30s. So this is a breakfast martini. So this is just absolutely wonderful to serve to somebody in the morning as a breakfast martini or as a brunch drink. So it was invented in the 1930s and it's just a classic ever since. So the cool ingredient with it is the orange marmalade. So you will need 1.5 teaspoons of that. You're gonna have a shaker with halfway full of cubed ice. I'm gonna go ahead and not be super precise and just kind of put in some orange marmalade there. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of Tanqueray Gin. Half an ounce of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur. Half an ounce. And we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. We're going to take a chill, I put this in the freezer, martini glass. Going to take the orange peel and on the side that has the peel, just to get the oils out of the peel, run that vigorously on the edge of that glass and just plop it on in. And then we will be shaking for 15 seconds. And then pour. It's a beautiful drink, lots of vitamin C, and hope you enjoy. Please hit subscribe, there'll be more videos. I'm on day number 5, there's going to be 5 more craft cocktail videos that you can recreate for your holiday party. And cheers!